Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can rotate the clip using Keyframes CapCut PC. Alright, so for instance, I am going to add one image to the track and I'm going to rotate, but I'm going to rotate using the keyframe. So make sure on the first frame and you can select basic and select position and size. So at right you can find keyframe button, so just click on it and you can swipe to right and change for the rotation. I think you can change to 50 degrees and swipe to the right again, change 100 degrees, do as before, change for the rotation, change again. Right, so until finish the video. Alright, you can see the final result. Right, can resize or scale. Alright, okay, that's how you can rotate the clip using keyframe in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much.